Clyde's here. At Dumb Lies Gadget Spot. You're about to watch an open box. Alright, so let's get right into it. What we have here is the Hornet bike horn. The Hornet bike horn. I found this on Amazon. It wasn't too hard. I searched for, a horn that was loud, on Amazon. So when you type in a search like that, it's gonna give you the loudest. So, and it tripped me out because it said it was the world's loudest cycle horn. So the price of it, real quick, is $29.95 on Amazon. You can pick it up, I'm pretty sure. After I pump it, you know what I'm saying, it might go up, so get it right now while it's at that price. It's supposed to be very easy to install, to put on. It takes two AAA batteries, and I'm just checking it out right now. I'm just looking at it. It has their Facebook and their Instagram on the side, so you can check it out. The packaging is pretty cool, plastic. So this is an open box. We're gonna get right into it. Not gonna waste no time. Now, the whole idea is for you to get noticed. There was a guy that created this. He was a former lawyer and a Ironman triathlete named Tom Lee. I think it's Tom DePet. Tom D. Palette. Alright, I probably killed that, man. Let's try one more time. Tom D. Palette. Alright, he made this bike horn because him being a lawyer, he knew that it was 57% of bicycle accidents occurred because drivers wasn't looking properly. So he invented this bike horn to hope to stop that. So yeah, it looks pretty good right here. So let me see. Alright, so what we got inside of here? So it takes two AAA batteries. Comes in this little old school baggie. Reminds me of back in the day. Yeah, so it comes in an old school baggie. Little AAA batteries. I've never seen these type of batteries before, but you can use any kind of batteries, AAA batteries that you want, rechargeables. Put them in there. Little manual that I'm pretty sure that I'll never read because it's just very easy for me to press that button and honk the horn if that's all it should do. Right. So okay. So. Let me see how it has this in here. I don't want to mess nothing up. Alright, we're going to pop it like this here. Sometimes you got to do what you got to do. Alright. So that's that. Alright, so looking at this little wire. Very small. Little headphone jack, smaller than a 3.5, whatever it is. I didn't write that down yet to see what that is. This is supposed to be a quick release mount. There you go. Comes on and off like that. Some hair on there from the facility. Might be nostril hair. It's a good thing I got my hair removers. Let's see if we can remove this hair. Stuck in there pretty good. Okay. Alright, so here it is. It's the Hornet. 140 decibels. I need something loud. I need something loud. It's not that long. It says it's about 3.8 inches long, That's pretty cool. I'm gonna mount it sideways like this or underwards or something like that. I'm not gonna have it sitting out like that up top. You know, I'm gonna have it a little bit incognito. It's very lightweight. It doesn't weigh. To me, it feels like it doesn't. I mean, it weighs. The batteries weigh more than this. Little cheap plastic, whatever. But I'm not worried about that. It's just the whole concept of 140 decibels coming out. If you have a bike horn that could rock louder than this, and it is small and compact like this, and you think that it's the competition, please send it to me and let me try it. I will put it on my bike and give it a full review, just like I'm giving this one here. This right here by Hornet, I'm loving it so far. The silicone mount for the button, the little cord is a little flimsy, but I think the whole concept of it is for it to not be big and bulky, so it could be slick and inconspicuous, which I think just might work for me once it's mounted. You press this into here pretty easy. We're going to get the screwdriver right now so we can take this part out and put the batteries in. I am not going to press the button inside of my little gadget dome right now, but I will give you guys a full test of it outside. Ducks. Y'all supposed to participate with this one, man. Get the duck out the way when you mess the whole thing up. You messed the whole thing up. The ducks. Still one love though. But anyway, the ducks are supposed to show up for get the duck out the way. But you can play with it. You can play with it how you want. You know, if you switch it to the other way, you know, like this here. Now watch it now. Woo, that's pretty loud. Sound like an electronic Indian's coming at you or something like that. You know, a robot Indian. Yeah, this is what it is right here. So y'all, if you have an e-bike, and if your e-bike weighs over 50 pounds, you will want to get you a serious alarm so people can get the duck out the way. Because if they don't get the duck out the way, it could be serious injuries for you and them, especially them, and especially you. So you guys know what to do. This your boy Clyde, once again with the Oprah Box review on a Hornet. It's a good product. Now, stay tuned. Because I'm about to put this horn in action, and you guys can see if the people get the duck out the way or not. All right, so I'm gonna throw a little bit in here, do a little extra riding. Now that I know that it works, I knew it would anyway. One more view of the ship there. Put in the comments if you know what it is. All right.